it's me, Miss Angie. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. This is called But Not Like Mine by Marjorie Facklem, illustrated by Jenny Bassett. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about visiting the post office?
No.
No. Do you think it's about driving to the grocery store?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a little girl and the animals?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and find out more. But not like mine. Oh, there's a little boy in there too. Let's find out more. A lion has hair. Look, the lion is getting a haircut. But not like mine. The lion is getting a haircut, and so is a little boy. An owl has eyes. There's the owl. It has eyes. But not like mine. The little girl reading a book. And look, there's an owl also reading a book. Let's turn the page and find out more. A pig has a nose. There's a pig smelling the flowers. But not like mine. Let's read more. A hippo has a mouth. There's a hippo and the kids in the restroom brushing their teeth. But not like mine. Look at that hippo needs a big toothbrush to brush his big teeth. And he's laughing. He's so silly. Let's keep going. A giraffe has a neck. There's a giraffe with a long neck. And here are our friends. But not like mine. There she is up there having a fun time. Let's keep going. A raccoon has hands. There's a raccoon hiding behind the tree. But not like mine. She's able to hold her chicken drumstick. Let's keep going. An ant has legs. Do you see all those ants there on the bottom? Those are ants in a line. But not like mine. There goes a little girl. Let's keep going. A duck has feet. There's a duck. And there's a little girl. But not like mine. Look at that silly duck wearing those shoes. He's so silly. A peacock has a tail. There's a beautiful peacock. But not like mine. Hey, I don't have a tail. She's being so silly. So she made a tail out of the feathers. The end. That was a good book. Thank you for reading it with me. So today, we have an activity. But before that, what was your favorite part of the book? Was it in the beginning when the lion was getting a trim on his hair? Was it in the middle when the owl was reading the book with the little girl? Or was it in the end when the girl was being silly with the peacock feathers as her tail? Those are all good parts of the book. You can even say, what was your favorite animal that you saw in there? Was it the pig that was smelling the flowers? Was it the hippo that was brushing the big teeth? Yes, those are good animals. So today, for today's activity, I have a puzzle that we're going to put together. And here are the puzzle pieces. It's a puzzle of a boy and girl and their body parts. Let's take a look. Let's do this together. Okay, so we're gonna start off with one piece at a time. Here, let's see this puzzle. We're gonna put it right here on the top. Let's get another piece and make the puzzle. Here we have another picture that's cut out as a girl's head. Let's put it together. And here it says head. So there is the girl's head. Let's keep going. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get another puzzle piece. Here we have a picture of the little girl's body. Do you think that matches?
No.
No. Maybe around there. Let's keep going. Let's see. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And here we go. Here's another piece. But this doesn't match here. Let's start this side for the little boy. Good job. Let's keep going. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get another puzzle piece. Here we have, looks like a part of the neck and arm. Do you think this matches?
No.
No. Does this match?
No.
Not quite. Maybe it goes right here. Let's put it there for now. Let's keep going. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get another puzzle piece. This says it's the hand. Do you think it's the girl's hand or the boy's hand?
The girl's hand.
That's right. It is the girl's hand. But it seems like we're missing something here in the middle. Let's keep going and see what we get. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And here we have the hand. But wait a minute. We already have this hand on this side. Maybe it belongs to
The boy.
The boy, that's right. Do you think it goes there or right there?
Move it down.
You're right. I need to move it down. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece,
Good
please.
job. And we get another puzzle piece. Where do you think this one belongs? Do you think it belongs here?
No.
No. Do you think it belongs right here?
Yes.
Yes. Let's put it right there and adjust our next picture. Okay, we're fixing it up. All right. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And here we go. We have, it says shoulder and chest. Do you think that it matches right here?
No.
No. Do you think it matches right here?
No.
No, but we're close. What about right here?
Yes.
Good job. Let's put it right there. And let's adjust this puzzle piece. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
And we get another puzzle piece. This looks like a foot. Neither one of them have their feet on there yet. Do you think this matches?
No.
No. What about on this side?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. It goes right there. Let's keep going. Oh, can you say another puzzle piece, please?
Another puzzle piece, please.
Good job. Where does it go? Does this go right here?
Yes.
Good job. And it matches. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say one more puzzle piece?
One more puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get a puzzle piece. This one looks like it belongs to...
The boy.
You're right, the boy. Let's put it up on the top. There we go. We're getting close. Let's keep going. One more puzzle piece, please.
One more puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get a puzzle piece. Here we go. We have
A foot.
a foot. You're right. Let's see. Does this foot belong on this side?
No.
No. Does it belong on this side?
Yes.
Good job. Here we go. We need another puzzle piece. Do you remember the sentence? One more puzzle piece, please.
One more puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we get a puzzle piece. Here, this one. Does this match here?
No.
No. Does it match right here?
Yes.
Good job. Let's put it right there. Okay. One more puzzle piece, please.
One more puzzle piece, please.
Good job. And we have another foot. This one already has both of the feet. Let's put this foot right here, and it matches. Okay, we have one more piece left. Can you say, I want one more piece, please?
I want one more piece, please.
Good job. And we have
Leg.
the leg. And it fits perfectly right there. Good job. Now we have the girl with all her body parts and the boy with all the body parts, just like in the book. Can you see? Let's name them. Head, shoulder, neck, chest, arm, hands, the
Leg.
legs, and the feet.
Feet.
Thank you for doing the activity with me today and reading our book. We'll see you again next time. Bye.